Hey, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was working on a project that I will reveal soon, and in that project I required a power supply of constant 5 volt and 2 ampere current. And for that I was looking for voltage regulator options. I came across several voltage regulators like 7805, MS1117, LM2596 and some adjustable step down buck power supply modules like XL4005. With all these voltage regulators there is some issue, like in LM7805 it gives only 1 ampere output current which is not even constant, and we all know there is always heating issue with LM7805 IC. Next I have tested AMS1117. This voltage regulator IC is good and has 3 pins to operate and required very minimal circuit like few resistors and capacitor, but the problem is it only gives 1 ampere output current and has very high dropout voltage of 1.1 volt. So this one is also not fitted good for my project. Then I came across TPS5405 voltage regulator IC which is produced by Texas Instruments. TPS5405 is a robust and efficient step down voltage regulator IC. Due to its wide input voltage range and integrated high side MOSFET, this voltage regulator IC gonna be ideal choice for my project. TPS5405 is designed for systems that requires a fixed 5 volt output and it can deliver up to 2 ampere output current, and this makes it suitable for distributed power systems and consumer applications such as home appliances and battery chargers. I will talk about its specification in detail later in the video. To test this TPS5405 voltage regulator IC, I have designed the evolution board for it. This is the schematic of TPS5405 evolution board, and this schematic is available for download. Link is available in the description. Before we move on, let me tell you about a fantastic tool that has made my PCB design process so much more efficient, Altium 365. Altium 365 is the first open electronic hardware development platform that fosters a secure and collaborative design environment. Whether you are working alone or with a team, Altium 365 ensures everyone is on the same page. Key benefits of Altium 365 is data management. Store all your design data securely in one place with robust version control, ensuring everyone works with the latest file. Library management. Access millions of ready-to-use parts with up-to-date supply chain data, making informed design decision easier. Supply chain management. Integrated BOM management with real-time data on parts availability. And pricing helps streamline your production cycles. Collaboration. Enable seamless collaboration with your team and manufacturers, reducing errors and speeding up the design process. And the best part is, if you click my link provided in the description of this video, you will not only get access to the free trial version, but you can also get flat 25% off on all the license purchase. So do check out the link provided in the description, and now let's move ahead with our video. The TPS5405 is a voltage regulator IC designed by Texas Instruments. The TPS5405 is especially known for its efficiency and reliability in converting higher voltage inputs into lower voltage outputs, making it suitable for various electronic devices and systems. Let me explain some specification in detail. TPS5405 provides a stable 5 volt fixed output voltage, which makes it essential for powering a vast array of electronic circuits and devices. The input voltage range of TPS5405 is 6.5 volt to 28 volt, accommodating a diverse range of power sources and ensuring compatibility with various input voltages. And this is the main reason why I select this voltage regulator IC for my project. TPS5405 offers adjustable switching frequency, which ranges from 50 kHz to 1.1 MHz. This feature allows designer to fine-tune the regulator for optimal performance, balancing efficiency and component size according to the specific requirement of their applications. And we can adjust this frequency by external resistance. And it can deliver up to 2 ampere of continuous current, fulfilling the demands of power-intensive applications. TPS5405 has wide range of applications like in consumer electronic, industrial power supplies, automotive accessories, distributed power systems. If you want to learn more about this TPS5405, then check the description for its datasheet. Now let's test this TPS5405 evolution board and see how it will perform. To test this TPS5405 evolution board, I am going to use my SMPS as DC power supply, and the output voltage is set to 24 volt. Now connect the SMPS to AC power supply and also connect the TPS5405 evolution board to the output of the SMPS using wires. And be careful while making the connection, it is quite dangerous. I'll suggest you to take the help of a technician. V in and V out is labeled in the back side of the PCB along with the polarity, so make the connections carefully. In this evolution board, you will get screw terminal for connections. Now let's test it. Here in the input side, we have 24 volt. And in the output side, we got 5 volt. Actually, it is fluctuating between 4.9 to 5 volt. I think it is okay. What do you think? It should be constant 5 volt or it is okay? Just let me in the comment section below. This TPS5405 evolution board is available for sale. You can purchase it from my website. Link is available in the description. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please do consider to like this video and subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.